Okay, so I got the GoPro. Let's just open this. Doing a great job doing this. What do we got here? It will be any good. Let's find out. Okay, so just go like this, like this. And that's how we unbox this. Okay, let's check how the GoPro perform for next motorcycle ride. Just a quick video. So FYI, tomorrow I'm gonna use the GoPro for the first time. Well, the Hero 8 for the first time. I'm gonna take a ride on my motorcycle. I just want to post a video to see, show you like my unpack. Honestly, man, there's like many videos unpacking, or unboxing. I'm not gonna do anything fancy. It comes with a camera. You're gonna have the USB-C cable, one mount. Really, GoPro, one mount. Anyway, one mount, one battery, two stickers, instructions, and of course, GoPro Plus Try. And my one, I just bought it with this in a combo, and it came with a 64 gigabyte card. That's it, man. It's I'm gonna take a ride tomorrow. I'm gonna see how the camera perform, and it's just gonna be connected straight to the helmet. Other things that I already order, I order a filter and a cover for the camera because I don't want this lens to break, and so in that way I take a little bit better video. So so with a filter on, super light. First impressions, camera is it's light though. It feels really light. Oh, by the way, just come with this. I have like a little extra lock here. Let me see how I can. It says remove. Let me see how I can remove it. There you go. Now we do have the camera, and that's it. Let's give it a try tomorrow, and let's see how we can record this ride. And in the meantime, just enjoy this footage. Have a good one.